Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time. Today we are going to be working on some housekeeping items. We need to feed the petunias, do a few pots, and also I have a bunch of flowers that I haven't put in for customers yet. Those all need to be watered, and just a few things that are around my own garden that need to be taken care of. So we're gonna get started and see what we get done. All right, so we are done for the day and we did get quite a bit done. We planted up several pots, watered all of the plants that needed watering, fertilized the petunias, and cleaned up just a bit. We also got a new solar bubbler for the bird bath. So hopefully that will continue working, as I've had some issues with several solar ones and I haven't had a chance to put in a permanent one, so I'm hoping that works. But let's take a look at what we've got. This pot is going to be going out back, and we did add some zinnias over here, as well as totally redid these two pots. And then this pot has been redone, and that has begonias in it. That's part sun, so that will be good. And then all of these petunias did get fertilizer. Now, just in the week that they've been here, they've actually bloomed quite a bit and have gotten bigger, which I'm super surprised about. I did plant this pot, although I think I'm going to be changing the flowers in that one. And we've just got some plants that these were recently added, and they all got watered. And look at this beautiful flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. So pretty. And again, these are just pots that I planted last week. They all got watered, and hopefully all of these will be going in tomorrow. We'll see what tomorrow brings, but I think that's what's going to happen. And that's it for this evening. I hope you have a great day and you get a chance to enjoy your garden today. Until next time.